Hello mga kacha!
Hello mga kacha!
So, susubukan nga natin ngayon yung trending videos, yung about sa kung sino maibayo ng kakain. So, let's start. Yung mga kawork ko si Marisha, Indonesian, and yung supervisor ko si Melanie from the Philippines. So, tara, start tayo. Okay. So, you know You know. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. Ulit ha?
Like this one.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
No, just one time. Okay, one more. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Oh, no, we'll eat. Let's go. Make sure you show the finish. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's go. Oh, no. It's okay. Hindi masyadong kumakain yan. Show to the camera, baby. Show to the camera. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Let's go. Bala kayo. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Bala kayo. One, 2, 3.
What time to eat?
Ice cream. Wait, rest. Pagod ako, be. 1, 2, 3.
May time tayo na.
Ice cream tayo mga dyan. Chocolate. Ganda.
Let me get.
Ayaw yun. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.